Hey, hey, good morning, my prepper posse. Whew, the winds. There's a little chill in the air, that's for sure. Since we're going to be down in the 20s for the next 3 nights, like 22, 21, whatever, it's going to be cold. We have sun, so I'm going to do some laundry. That way, since I'm going to have the propane on in the bus anyway, and the heat going, the Mr. Buddy heater, we'll go ahead and get that stuff dry. So here I am out in the winds. It's it's a little chilly, but it's nothing compared to I know what's going to happen tonight. So I'm going to get a few things done as quickly as possible, and I'll just dry them in the bus because it's going to be nice and toasty in there. That's that story. I can barely believe that we're, what, 5-6 days away from Christmas. It's incredible. Yeah, I'm gonna do a lot of baking. The girl's working. My daughter. It's nice and quiet. But as soon as I get off this video, I'm gonna jump right to it. To keep, the sun doesn't stay out long. So we have to get as much as we can. Can we see the tree from here? Oh, it really is a beautiful morning, even though it is chilly. That's okay. We'll get this done. It's the wind. The wind is what gets you. I've been praying for everybody all over the country, the ones that had the storms and the problems and the mess and the tornadoes, and there's weather everywhere. I'm going to knock on some wood because we've been fortunate so far. Whew. I'm just taking a little walk for my mother. She likes to look at all of the beautiful, and anybody else that loves the scenery. I do. Ooh. Ooh. Doesn't do any good to rake the leaves. We got plenty of wind to do that, huh? All right, kids. Enjoy your day. Don't forget to play. If anything's going down, I'll check in with you later. Thanks for watching. See you.